Hi, I'm Fiona from Kids Club English, and today I'm going to show you how I make dominoes, different kinds of domino sets. Now, so we've got these ones are for school, so they're colouring ones. We've got these ones, again for school vocabulary and colour. These ones here were for Stickman, I think, and these ones for Go Away Big Green Monster. I do lots of different variations of these. So sometimes it's sticking, again with the find and stick type activities where they're matching pictures to text or text to pictures, or sometimes they might be joining up the different parts of words. Sometimes it's just matching the picture to the picture. So have a look at the video and I'll show you some of the templates I've got for the school activity pack dominoes, but it might give you some ideas about how you could go about creating your own templates for this as well, and hopefully be some inspiration. All right, thank you. Okay, so I hope you like that. And yeah, we've got dominoes in quite a few of our packs. So that one was for the school activity pack. Have a look on kidsclubenglish.com, and if you want any of those templates, you can get them there, and have fun creating your own versions. All right, thank you.